family, this is the Velvet Locks with another video for you today. Yes, it's the same day because if you see me in the same head wrap, I'm knocking these out, alright? I have a really nice way for you to be able to make your ginger water in advance. And this idea was helped by another fellow YouTuber, my girl, Candy Girl. And what she told me was how her mother made it for them in bulk, okay? Mom made it in bulk, so this way you're not making this tea every single day if you don't have the time. So I'm going to do this in a bigger form so you can also have it stored, and when you need it, you pour it. If you want it warm, you can warm it up in the microwave and you're good. So let me show you how to make this wonderful, amazing garlic water in bulk, okay? Stay tuned. Alright, you guys, we are back in the kitchen where I'm going to show you such a wonderful, easy way that you can make your garlic water. You're going to need a pot, okay? Now today I'm going to be making a gallon of our garlic water. And I'm just going to pour that in. Alright, if anything, I'll probably just pour half of it in. Alright, so you're going to pour most of your water in your pot. But put this on the side because you're going to need this again. So we're going to stick that on the side. In the meantime, we're going to start preparing our lemons, okay? We're going to slice this up and pop this in there as well to get all the wonderful extracts of our lemons. Peel and all. Make sure you wash your lemons thoroughly. Pop that in your water, and you're going to see how much stronger and more potent this drink is going to be. It's more powerful when you cook your lemons. Okay, so pop that in your pot. You can even put the ends. Now, next what we're going to do is we're going to put our garlic in. Now, being that it's a gallon, and the recipe calls for 2 to 3 pieces of garlic per cup, since this is a gallon, I measured it out, and it's 48 pieces of garlic that you're going to need. Alright, that's a lot of garlic. So your place is going to smell like you're chasing vampires, but it's okay. You can either slice them up into pieces, or just mash them down a little bit, just to get all of the juices. Just to break it down a little bit so it makes it easier to boil. And after that, you just pop them inside your water. Please excuse my nails. I know your girl got to go get her nails done. So I don't want to hear nothing in the comment section. So I'm going to finish chopping down. Oh, one ran away. So I'm going to finish mashing down my garlic. If you don't have a meat cleaver, a meat tenderizer, you can just slice them up, grind them up, you know, blend them up, whatever is necessary, whatever you can do to get them into smaller pieces. Alright, and when I finish, I'll come right back. Alright, so we got all of our garlic in our water. We got our lemons in there, and we're just going to let this come to a nice boil. And what this is doing, this is another way to make your garlic water. If you want to make it more flavorful, because just straight plain garlic water, Lord have mercy. But either way, you're going to still taste the garlic. You can't get around that. But this is another way that you can make it. Now, what I could have done was squeeze my lemons first, then threw everything into the pot. But either way, you're still going to get the nice, wonderful lemon extracts with the boiling method as well. Okay? So we're going to boil this for at least 5 to 10 minutes. And then I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so we are back. after it's nice and cooled, which it is now. Okay, you can sweeten it with your honey if you choose to. All right, I'm just going to squirt my honey in here directly. And you pretty much do it to taste. All right, and you shake it up and you've got your garlic water ready. So there it is, your garlic water on hand. Store it in your refrigerator every morning. Drink yourself a cup. You can warm it up if you choose to. I really wouldn't recommend warming it up too warm because you do have the honey in there and you don't want to ruin the enzymes by, making it really, really hot. So this is wonderful, easy way for you to create your garlic water instead of having to do it every day. And like I said, you could put it in the microwave, warm it up a little bit and drink it. It doesn't have to be hot, but that's good, okay? And yes, so let me know how you like this recipe. Let me know how you like the taste of it. It's going to be super potent, so it's extra, okay? I don't like eating garlic, but I can drink it like this, I guess. It's an acquired taste, and honestly, I felt like I was smelling like garlic all day. But you may have to walk with some mints, just to get that off your palate. But this is an awesome way of creating it and having it on hand every day. All right, and I want to thank Candy Girl for mentioning that her mother made it this way, made it big batch, and I was like, what? Awesome. Okay, so thank you, Candy Girl, for the idea of this video. Thank you so much for commenting and subscribing. Don't forget to share these videos. All right, wonderful creative ideas for health. Thank you again, and I will see you in the next video. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.